In today's world, it's increasingly becoming difficult to live a balanced life. And the basic reason for this is an imbalance. Now, what kind of imbalance I'm talking about? Our world right now is living in a very logical perspective, which means you only believe it when you see it, and you don't believe it before you see it. Right? Now, that is a solely logical perspective of looking at life. Now, I'm not saying that's a wrong perspective, but we are meant to live in two perspectives. We have two halves of the brain, we have two halves of the body, and our both left brain and right brain together give us experiences. Now, when you're only looking from the logical perspective, which is also the left brain perspective, you might move into a system where you only and only believe in logic. And if there is no logic to something, you don't believe in it. That creates an imbalanced approach. The key to living a good life is having a balance between the logical as well as an intuitive aspect of your brain or of your thinking. Intuitive approach, we all were born with intuition, and somehow in the course of our life, especially in the current era, in the last few decades, we have lost touch with our intuition. And more than that, because people have become so logical, they believe anything to do with intuition is considered stupid, superstitious. But know that intuitive and logical are two sides of the coin. If you're only going to look at the logical picture, you're going to look at only half of it. Now, what's the solution? The solution is to start opening your heart to your other experiences. Now, what is opening heart? The heart is the center of what we call as our empathy or our human experience, which is very closely related to our intuition. Now, when you open your heart, you create a more better way of looking at the wholehearted picture of your life, which includes both the logical and your intuitive life. Now, now you will ask me what do you mean by opening your heart? There is an energy center here which is called as Anahata or the heart chakra, which when opened actually balances both your logical and intuitive side, the inner masculine and inner feminine, the inner conscious and the inner subconscious. So basically, there are three energy centers below your heart and three energy centers above your heart. The above three are the intuitive one, the below three are logical ones. So when you're living in the logical world, you're only operating from the first three energy centers. And when you're only living in the intuitive way, you're only operating on the top three sides or top three chakras or the centers. So when you only work on intuition, you're going to have an ungrounded experience. And when you're going to operate from a lower three chakras, you will have only a very stuck or very basic experience wherein you will not be open to any miracles. So here I'm going to give you a very quick ritual, and I'm going to take this ritual or this exercise in my upcoming Love Romance 101 course. So if you want to know more about more such rituals, please do subscribe to my channel and please enroll for the course because it's a paid course, of course. But I will be teaching more such tricks and rituals to connect to your heart center. So, for this, we are going to need a rose quartz wand. If you do not have a rose quartz wand, you can take any crystal. If you do not have any crystal, you can simply use your palms because our palms have a lot of energy. You're also going to need a rose candle. Now, I have a rose candle. If you do not have a rose candle, you could use any tea light candle. And if you do not even have a tea light candle, you could simply light a lamp in your house. So, sit in a place where you won't be disturbed. Light this candle. I'm not going to light it right here because I'm going to make sure it's in a fire compliance safe zone. Um, and I'm just going to invoke the presence of all the divine energies. Dear God, universe, angels, archangels, all the divine energies, my higher self, please help me in effectively connecting to my heart center and opening my heart center for better experiences in life. Please keep me grounded all the time and please keep away all the negative or lower vibrational energies out of my energy centers. And as I say this prayer, I simply invoke white light around me, which is the white light of protection and the angelic energy. I'm going to use this crystal. I'm going to hold it in my right hand because the right hand is my dominant hand. If you are a lefty or if you're someone who has your left hand as a dominant hand, you can hold it in your dominant hand. Now people ask me that is the right hand for receiving and the left hand for giving. Yeah, although there are a lot of these things, I typically use my right hand to do all rituals because that's how it works with me. Each one could use. There are no right wrongs. There are no rules. So don't come up asking me, oh, I'm using my left hand. Is it right or is it wrong? Now there are no rules. And always remember, when you do some rituals like this, if you do it wrong, nothing wrong will happen. You will not die. People have asked me that if I did a ritual wrong, will something bad happen to me? No, it won't, because we live in a fear psychosis wherein we feel that if we do something wrong, that happened because we all went to schools where we were told that if you do wrong, you'll be punished. But the truth is that no one punishes you. So just hold a crystal in your right hand, and what you're going to do is you're going to move the crystal in um, clockwise manner to release. Now, if we have difficult emotions like anger, fear, worry, jealousy, I'm going to move it in a clockwise way around my heart chakra. Okay, I'm moving it clockwise around my heart chakra and saying that, dear God, angels, universe, please remove any grief, fear, hurt, all stuck up feelings, any worry or any energy which I may have absorbed, any resentments. And just breathe in. And once you feel the crystal has removed everything, imagine a violet flame or a silver or golden violet flame right in front of you. What that is, I will be talking about that in my workshop. And I just push my crystal in that. I just allow the violet flame to take away all the negativity. And now again, this crystal, I'm going to move it in the counterclockwise direction. And here I say that, dear universe, angels, energy, God, please put all love, hope, happiness, healing, empathy, compassion, and joy in my heart. And I breathe in and I imagine myself to be filled in pink light. And do this ritual as many times as you can do it once and it will be done, or you can do it every day, or you can do it for 10 days, or you can do it for 3 days. There are no rules. And I feel you feel a lot relaxed when you use this way of opening your heart chakra. So as I said, to know more about my workshop, the first workshop is being conducted on 11th April, but if you're watching this video after that, the workshop is conducted every 3 to 6 months. So please get in touch with me to enroll yourself in the workshop. I'm going to teach more rituals like this in the workshop, along with more prayers, affirmation chants, and everything and anything to take your love life and your relationship with your partner to the next level, to make you feel better, to have more better relationship, more quality relationships with your partner. So yeah, I hope this ritual works with you. I had read this ritual a few years ago in one of the articles written by one of my favorite teachers and author, Diana Cooper. And since then, I modified it according to my wish. Okay, if you ask me what to do with the candle, allow it to burn. Stay there and allow the healing energies to connect to you. And yeah, I'm sure this workshop, this ritual will help you. To know more, connect for the workshop, the upcoming workshop. You can write an email to me at ashwini.chube@unicorninsight.com, and you could also drop an email on inbox.unicorninsight@gmail.com so that me or my team could get in touch with you. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel. Best wishes and lots of love and healing energies to you. Thank you.